You can extract the sender's IP address from the email headers and use online IP geolocation tools to get information about the IP address. Here is a step-by-step guide to geolocate any email sender's address. Launch your preferred web browser and open the email in your email client. Find the option to view the email headers. For Gmail, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Show Original. For Outlook, go to File, Properties, and look under Internet Headers. For Yahoo, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select View Raw Message. Look for lines in the headers starting with Received, followed by an IP address or permitted sender after an IP address. The first external IP address in the chain is likely the sender's. Copy the public IP and visit www.ip2location.com. Once on the ip2location.com website, you will typically find a search field prominently displayed near the top of the page. Paste the IP address you want to look up into this field. Click on Lookup IP Address to initiate the search. The website will display information related to the IP address you entered. This will include country, region, city, internet service provider, organization, time zone, latitude and longitude, and host name. Now you can retrieve the coordinates of the location and view it on Google Maps for a more detailed landscape. Open Google Maps in your web browser. Type maps.google.com. Paste the coordinates into the search bar at the top of the page and press enter. Right-click on the location on the map. Select what's here from the context menu and view the streets of the location. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. See you next time.